Did you get logged out of Roblox all of a sudden? This can happen because of connection problems, account issues, or a Roblox update. In this video, I'll explain why this happens and how you can fix it. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure you have a proper internet connection. Now, move on to the advanced solutions. Step 1. Roblox server issues. Open your browser and go to status.roblox.com. Make sure Roblox servers are up and running. If there's an outage, wait until it gets fixed. Step 2. If account logged in on another device. First, log into your Roblox account on another device. It may log you out from the first one. Try to avoid logging in on multiple devices at the same time. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Open your browser, click on the three dots, and find and click on Delete Browsing Data. Or on your keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. Restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update or reinstall the Roblox app. Make sure your Roblox app is updated. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall. And that's it. These steps should help you stop random logouts on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.